Hello everyone. In this video, I am discussing about how to download and install Xampp server on Windows platform. Okay, so here I have write down the steps how to download it and how to run that particularly Xampp server. Okay, the first step we go for download option. Okay, so how you can download it? So you have to go for any browser. Okay, in that you have to simply write down about only Xampp. Okay, in Xampp here you have two options. One is the downloading option and this one is another download option. Okay, so you have to click on this download option and here it transfer to the particularly downloading options of the Xampp server. Here there are the three options is given for Windows, for Linux and for Mac. Okay, according to your system requirement, which type of OS you are using, you have to download according to your OS or your system requirement. Okay, so here I am using 64-bit Windows, so I am selecting this option, second one. I am downloading this 7.3.22 PHP version on 155 MB. Okay, you have to click on these options. They are forwarding you to the downloading option and easily it start to downloading your Xampp server file. Okay. Okay, after selecting on this particular options, they are started the downloading. Okay, for this 155 MB. Okay, so I have already downloaded the Xampp server. So now we are going to install it first. The Xampp server. Okay, that is 7.3.22. Okay. So my Xampp is going to be installed. Next, okay, here you don't need to select or deselect any options. If you want to deselect any of the file, then do. Otherwise, you have to go for next. Okay, here you have to select particularly folder where you want to install the Xampp server. By default, they are given that you have to install it where the C drive. Okay, here you can choose by selecting this option. Next, the languages option. By default it gives you a English language. Okay, and then next. So now your Xampp server is going to be installing. Okay. Okay, so here your Xampp is going to be installed. Okay, I have finished my process to installing it. So now, okay, so I have completed the second step. So now we are going for how to run your PHP file on Xampp server. Okay, so I'm firstly opening the Xampp control panel. Okay, so here you have to start the Apache. Okay, the green option is available, so now is on running mode. Okay, and you have to start the MySQL server. Okay, it also going to be green, so it is also on a start mode. The second option, we have completed this first option, that is what? Start the services of Apache and MySQL to run any PHP file. Okay, so second option is that we have to save particularly PHP file where you install your Xampp. Okay, by default I had installed my Xampp server on what? Where? In C drive Xampp. Okay, so in C drive, here I have Xampp. In Xampp, you have to keep it file, your PHP file in htdocs. Okay, in C drive, in Xampp, or in Xampp, we have to, here you have to create any folder. Okay, here I am creating the PHP folder. Here in the PHP folder I am keeping the PHP practicals. Okay, so first I am copying this PHP practicals. Okay, here I have 4 practicals. So I am copying this all of 4s, Control C, in C drive, Xampp server, in Xampp server in htdocs, and here in PHP folder. Okay, so my 4 practical is keep it here, and now the third step, to view the output of this particularly any of this file. So go through the browser, any of the browser, and you have to type this much. What? Localhost. Okay, we are going for Chrome. Here I am writing localhost. Okay, localhost, then what else? The folder name. Okay, here in the C drive, okay, Xampp server htdocs, I have created which folder? The PHP folder. So I have to write here what? P capital PHP. Okay, so here you can see this particularly ex1.php, whichever file I have kept in this particularly PHP folder. Okay, I have shown you that here I have copied 4 files, ex1, ex2, ex3 and example, that all visible over here. Okay, so string is the particularly output is coming. Okay, whatever I have written in ex1.php. So I'm show you whatever I have written in that particularly PHP file. Okay, so here I'm writing down that is echo hello everyone and echo welcome everyone on PHP tutorial. That output you are showing over here, that is what? Hello everyone, welcome everyone on my PHP tutorial. Okay, I hope you all like my video. If you like my video, then share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching my video.